Hello guys, welcome to this new video where I'm going how you can set up this customer support assistant template and how you can use it. So if you are working for a support team and you're finding it very difficult to keep 24/7 support for your clients on any platform that your clients are on, then this template is a perfect fit for you. Now to access this template, first all you've got to do is that you have to go to the home page of SmythOS's app website, and then you just have to go into the template section, just search for customer, and then you'll have this template that you can actually click on its remix and you'll have a workflow like this. Now on SmythOS we are actually using this template to answer all of our support ticket questions that are on our Discord platform. Now let me show you that how it's answering. So this was one of the support tickets that was raised by our customers, and how this bot actually helped is that it answered the question by firstly asking a clarifying question, and on basis of that clarifying question it actually answered. Now the answers came from our own SmythOS documentation pages, and as you can see the response also contained some references that the user can be redirected to. Now for this, we're actually using our own Discord bot. You can also create your new Discord bot, and that Discord bot will actually be pointed towards this template, and then you're good to go. Now before running this template, actually you've got to set up some things. So this template will use all of the knowledge base that your platform has. Now to set up the knowledge base, all you've got to do is that you have to go into the data pool section and you have to add a new data space. For example, let me just type in test3. Now a new data space has been added where you can add all of the data sources, all of the documentation pages, all of the PDFs that you want this template to generate answers from. Now after indexing all of the information in this data space, you can just set this component up with the data space that you just created. Now to not only use the knowledge base of your platform, you can also on top of that use the previous support conversations that your support team might have had. Now this part is optional. Obviously it depends upon whether you have a support history data or not. But in case if you have, then yeah, this is a good thing to do. Now to set this component up, you've got to follow the same steps again. You just have to create a new data space, and then you can index all of the support history conversations that you have had in past. Now after setting these two components up, you can test this agent out, and it will actually generate answers that are well relevant to your company's knowledge base as well as based upon the previous support conversations that you have. So this agent is actually ensuring that not only the questions are answered about your platform, but also they have the experience and the feedback of previous support ticket conversations. Now you can obviously add on more layers to this template by using the integrations library. Here we have a list of all the third-party tools that you can actually add on to this template. Now, if you are someone who's using MS Teams for support or maybe Slack for your client support, then you can add on components from this integrations library by just clicking on Slack, and then you can just drag and drop these components and connect based upon your own need. Now, this is based upon your own requirements, and you can obviously do it whenever you would like to. So this template is a fairly simple one. As you can see, you just have to create the data spaces, the data sources, and then you are good to go. Also, one thing what I would like to mention is that if you're using this agent on your Discord servers, then you have to create Discord bots. Those are fairly simple. You can just search on how to create a new Discord bot, and that's just a 3 to 4 step process. After creating the Discord bot, you can actually deploy this agent, and after deploying this agent you can basically click on deploying it as LLM. Just copy in the LLM endpoint and you can point it to the Discord bot. Thank you for tuning into this video. Bye bye.
Join our community and get started today. Star our GitHub repo. Spin up your first agent on Smith Forged. Walk through a tutorial on SmythOS Academy. Bookmark the docs for easy reference. Check out our YouTube channel. Say hi in Discord and find out how you can join our community meetings and weekly webinars. Links to these and more are in the video description.